Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care. Welcome to Dental Hygiene Wednesdays. Thank you for joining us. Every week we like to answer questions that our patients might have and just help educate them and inform them in ways that might make sense to them. It's important to be educated so that you can know how to help maintain your nice and healthy smile that we all strive for and want to keep. Last week we talked about the difference between a manual toothbrush and electronic toothbrush, and I recommended the Sonicare, which Dr. Pignano recommends here in our office. It definitely has plenty of benefits, and if you missed our video last week, feel free to go back and look for it on Facebook. You can rewatch that so you can learn all the nice perks that the Sonicare has. This week we are going to tackle the occlusal guard or the night guard. As many of you probably know what it's called. So what is the benefit of a night guard? So a lot of people may not even realize it, but they come in and we mention a couple of words, either grinding or bruxism, which are two things that can affect the overall health of your mouth. So bruxism or grinding has several different effects. It can cause gum recession, which exposes the roots of your teeth, which is not good because unfortunately your roots break down a lot quicker than the actual enamel of your teeth. So it's important to make sure we're keeping our gums nice and healthy and we're not getting recession so that there's not a higher chance of developing cavities in those areas. Another thing that it causes is attrition. So when you're grinding your teeth back and forth, it's going to cause the very edges of your teeth to wear down, and then your teeth are not going to come together properly, and you're also going to start showing the middle part of your tooth, which also breaks down a lot quicker than what the actual enamel does or the outside of the tooth. So it's very important to maintain those nice healthy teeth and make sure those are not happening. And then the third thing that can be caused by bruxism or grinding is what's called a fraction, and it's where you get a little wedge shape inside the tooth from where you're grinding and causing so much pressure that part of your tooth is just wearing away from that pressure. And like I said before, when you get that wedge shape in there, it's going to expose the middle part of your tooth, which can be broken down and can get cavities a lot quicker than what the outside of your tooth does. So it's important that if you do realize that or recognize that you're maybe starting to grind at night, or maybe your wife says you're waking her up with some noise, it's important to come in and ask your dentist and have them check and see if there's any signs of that. So what the occlusal or night guard is a thick plastic piece that you put in your mouth and wear at night, and it helps protect your teeth from all of those different effects that are caused by the grinding and bruxism. And what you do is you just pop it in so it covers the whole top of your mouth. That way when you're grinding, instead of rubbing tooth to tooth, you're rubbing on the plastic, and it's going to help protect your teeth and keep them nice and healthy. And it is tight, that way it stays in. We don't want you swallowing this at night. So you just pop it right back out and put it away for the night. But it definitely is important if you do grind, or you're told by your dentist that you grind, to get an occlusal guard. That way you make sure you're protecting your mouth and keeping it nice and healthy. So thank you for joining us this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. My email is christina@dublindentalcareohio.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a good day. Hi, I'm Christina, lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care. I just wanted to give you all a reminder of the awesome giveaway that we're doing this quarter for our patients. It's called Fly Away With Us in 2017, Escape the Cold, which right now doesn't really make a difference because it's 60 degrees, of course, in Ohio. But later on it'll be snowy and cold and you'll want to get out of here. So what we're doing is, for every patient that you refer to our office, we'll put your name in a drawing a certain amount of times for every patient that you refer. And then at the end of March, we're going to draw a name, and that lucky person will get a $750 voucher to Southwestern to fly anywhere outside of Ohio, which I personally would love. So go ahead, refer friends, family, anyone you can think of, and tell them how much you like us, and get your name in that drawing, and hopefully you can win.